Are you trading stocks, commodities, or currencies in the Forex market? How about if you could automatically make a profit of 81% with every trade, no matter how much the rate actually changed? Would you be also interested if you succeed from day one, even if you've never dealt with shares, stock, or currency? That's exactly what we're going to talk to you about today. You don't need to have inside knowledge. You don't need to spend hours studying news, charts, and newspapers to make a trade with 0.5% profit at the end of the day. There are only rising and falling prices and over 81% profit per trade, that is, per trade. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'll show you exactly what you need and how for the first time you will make 81% profit in 27 minutes from now with one click. First of all, my offer is totally free, so you won't be compelled to buy a manual at the end of the video. No, my offer here is 100% free, and making money is not the reason why I'll call you at the end of this video. It's still not entirely selfless. Trading stocks, commodities, CFDs, foreign exchange, and many other products on the stock market requires a lot of knowledge and experience to achieve profits. Many brokers learn over many years, and even professionals can quickly be wrong in turbulent times. With many trades, you work with high leverage and a small fluctuation, and this can lead to a total loss. One really has to be set on the right trend. Binary options work differently. There's only one introductory course and 81% profit per trade. Sometimes you'll only make 78%, but you could earn up to 91%. More importantly, however, no matter how much the price changes, the profit per trade is always between 78 and 91%. As a trader of binary options, you just have to decide what course it will take. For example, in an hour, will it be higher or lower than now? That's all. Regardless of whether a currency pair is a pip or 27 pips lower than now, if you bet on a falling price, your profit is always 81% or more. Even if the price then quickly goes the other direction, you can stay calm because with what you learn here, over the long term, you'll always be right. At the same time, I would oppose an objection that many of my visitors here have, that this is comparable with simple sports betting on victory or defeat. This is definitely not the case. This would only happen if we were to solely rely on a falling or rising rate. If you do what we'll teach you here, you'll find it has nothing to do with luck or chance, but with knowledge that will make you a winner. Have you heard the saying, the trend is your friend? In short, in the following minutes, I'll show you exactly how to spot a trend and at what point you should get in on a falling or rising price so that you will almost always make up to 81% profit per trade. Even with very small amounts from $10, you can earn several $100s per day with good money management and a healthy scattering. But what we're talking about here is only a simple trade. In fact, you can start today with just $100 and earn between $100 to $300. In the following videos, I'll show you how to make up to 2,000% profit with only a single trade. However, this is more for advanced users, so we'll begin by concentrating on the essentials today. Binary options are traded through a broker. It's the fastest growing trend on the internet, and when Forex brokers' figures appear pale, these can be a great source of self-growth. Thousands of people from all walks of life recognize the opportunities of binary options and benefit from its simplicity. It's really easy. An account can be opened in less than 2 minutes and you're ready to go. Click on a banner below the video to start and then click on Create Account or New Account Setup. So, the first step is to open an account with a broker that offers binary options. Please only select a broker that we recommend because in this industry, there are those brokers who offer poor conditions or don't act in your best interest. Brokers that we recommend have been tested by us and are generally regarded as very reliable with great support. My colleagues and I trade exclusively with these brokers. Signing up is easy. After responding to a confirmation email, you can log into your account and start. You see how easy everything is structured? You just have to decide with what you want to trade. Choose from the menu bar, currencies, indices, equities, and commodities. For example, if you click on the currencies, you can see the currency pairs that are available at the moment. Top right, you can see how much time you have to place a trade. And here on the left side, you can see when the trade expires and how much profit you will make with it. There are only two buttons, put and call. Call we make if the price goes up, and put if we rely on a falling price. Binary options are not always traded. If there are no entry opportunities, it looks like this, and you can see here when the market reopens. I'll show you how to make the right decision in most cases. If you know that the price will be higher in an hour from now, you click on call, set the amount, and click on trade. It's really that simple. Now you have to do nothing more than wait and make up to 81% profit. However, the big question you might still have is, how do I know if an options course will be higher or lower than now at the end of the trade? If one can predict this with very high accuracy, obviously high profits await, and this is the goal you should have right now. Follow my tips below and you'll practically have a license to print money. One could look at the other traders, but I discourage you from doing so. There is, for example, at this broker, a list of what other traders are doing. I would advise you not to follow these trends. That would be like gambling. It's not what we want. What we do here is business, and we want to earn sustainable money every day. What we do is trade on the basis of clear trends and developments in the market that you can detect on a standard chart, even if you've never used a chart before. What you need now are real-time charts where you can read what courses options are currently taking. The charts here are not very useful, so you should either use the charts from the broker of your choice or open up a free account with a broker so you can use the charts there. You could go to any web page to click on any charts, but do yourself a favor and don't even think about it. What you need is accurate, real-time charts. You can get real-time charts at any stock exchange or broker. Of course, you can use any real-time chart. If you already have a trading account with a broker, use its chart. The important thing is that you have an accurate chart that displays real-time information at all times. We'll mainly work with the 1-minute and 5-minute candlestick chart. The line chart is very good for beginners because it is perhaps even clearer to begin with. You already have everything you need to start. With binary option brokers, you can start with $100 and place trades of $10. That is perfect for you to practice and to get an understanding of this type of trading while keeping your risk low. Later, you will open accounts at brokers who have more features and trade options. However, since there is a charge of 500 euros or more, let's make money first and maximize our profits here. Soon you will have everything under control. That will happen over a few days. An important tip to keep in mind, open many trades with small amounts instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. To earn $200 a day, you only need 5 good $50 trades. In 22 trading days, that's $4,400, which you are able to earn every month, part-time, after work. You can reach that milestone in 4 to 6 weeks with only a $100 starting capital. I want to show you now, quickly, how you will do it. Start with $100 to $200. Try $10 trades until you have a total of about $500 to $800 in your account. And then increase the amount to $20 per trade. When you reach $1,200 in your trading account, you can increase to $30 or $40 per trade. From $2,000, you can increase to $50 per trade, and you can quite easily earn $4,400 by placing 5 trades per month. There are definitely days when it's difficult to place 5 safe trades. However, there are days when you can quite easily place 10 to 20 trades. These are the days when it's really all about clear trends and when you make money. It's important that you keep money management in mind and don't use too much money in your account. Never put more than 5 to 10% on a trade. Only increase the amount of money when you have built up your capital, as I've showed you. Further information can be found on this page below. Now let's talk about the original issue. We must decide whether an options course will drop or increase. The nice thing is, no matter how much a price rises or falls, we'll always make 81% profit per trade. Even if the change is only 0.01%, our profit is 81%. Remember, the trend is your friend. Every trader in the stock market knows and follows this principle. In so-called bullish times, only the few set on a falling price. That's why I want to show you how to recognize on a chart when it is the right time to go in. Open a real-time chart from your broker, eToro, or any other real-time chart. What matters is that it's really accurate. The principle is simple. If we see an increasing trend, we rely on that increasing rate. If we see a downward trend, then we put on the falling price. Finally, if it's a sideways trend, we stay out. The clearer a trend, the safer it is, and we make money. Advanced guys look as well at messages or wait for important decisions and then play specifically based on the expected development. I'll show you some charts now. They are all 5-minute candlestick charts, all from the same date that I've just pulled out to show you how easy it is to make a decision. On this chart, we see a clear upward trend, which has lasted for some time already. One can draw a conclusion and see a trend that is clearly continuing upward. This trend is my friend and it will not let me down. Therefore, I can directly click call at the broker, choose the amount, and will likely make a profit. Keep your chart analysis simple in the beginning. Go in soon enough, not in the last 5 minutes before the trade expires. Better to go in a little earlier so that even small fluctuations in the trend don't affect you. Here is a chart which we should stay away from. A sideways movement is where no trend is discernible. A line above, a line below, and no discernible trend. Such charts can be found at different times of day where little is traded. A lot more movement happens in the afternoon to about 10 p.m. At that time, most good trends can be found. Let's go to the next chart. Here we see a trend. Easy to see. With 2 lines we see where it goes. Here the probability is good that the trend will continue downwards. We go to the broker, click on put, enter the amount, and click action. Whether the price is now 0.1 or 2% down, we always make up to 81% profit. If you've ever traded with high leverage, you've seen that situation where you've determined to set the right trend, and you actually would have turned a profit if it wasn't for a short turnaround, which drove your trade into the stop loss. With binary options, you can't go wrong. Regardless of the severity of the short counter movement, if the direction is clear, every trade is a win. You'll find more examples below on this page how to analyze charts in order to place winning trades. Keep it easy at the beginning. You're trading with small amounts and you'll be delighted with every win. But before you get started, I'd like to discuss a few things briefly. First, to be clear, binary options have nothing to do with casino gambling and sports betting. Please don't confuse it with such things. It is a new, modern way to trade to maximize profits. The broker has a strong interest in ensuring that you make many trades because he earns money, not from the profit or loss on each trade. The more trades you place, the more he earns. He is also interested that you make as many profitable trades so that you trade frequently and regularly. Your profit is then also indirectly his profit. The most important thing is that you remain patient and trade only on clear trends. It makes no sense to place trades and just hope that it will be okay. With a starting capital of $100 to $200, you'll build up within 1 to 2 weeks a credit of $500 to $1,000, and after 1 month, you'll get up to 81% profit per trade. Even if you have to wait 2 or 3 hours every day observing situations and charts and waiting, where else can you earn money as easy as here? Thousands of people jump in every day on this new trend. In the newsletter, we'll send you video reports from numerous users which earn $100 to $1,340 every single day. Most have started with $100 to $200 with a broker and started by using a credit card or bank transfer. It's as easy as it sounds, and you can immediately put this into practice. The question now is not how much money you want to earn, but how quickly. I wish you good luck, and I'm looking forward to your review.
And I was looking for possibly a way to make some extra money on the side. I looked at online and I found something called the binary code. And let me tell you right now, just in the past month, by doing this part-time, I've made almost $1,000 in 1 month. Yes, just 1 month.
Hi everybody, I just wanted to let everybody know about the binary code, generating a side income or a full income, however you look at it, of between $1,000 to $10,000 a month. I found the product online, tested it, and I'm earning money every month. It's up to you how much money you want to generate.
Hi, so I want to put in a little word about the binary code. And at the time I found this system out, I was a broke college student. And I am so glad I found the binary code because I was able to get started with it right away. And I'm just happy to say that right now I'm making $1,000 extra a month.
I was looking for a way to make money online and I came across a product called the binary code. I was a little skeptical at first, but I decided to take the plunge and it turned out to be a great decision. I used the binary code to generate a part-time income from home of up to $1,000 a month. However, if you use the system on a full-time basis, then you can earn even more money. I therefore highly recommend the binary code to anybody who wants to earn money from home.
I'm looking to expand this, build upon this where I'm starting out now, and make enough money to be able to quit my day job. Man, I really can't wait to tell my boss, bye-bye!